Okay, so back to practicing the idioms with flashcards. Here's your first one. What's the idiom?
Mm, climb up.
Right, to clam up. So to be suddenly become quiet, often because you don't want to talk about a topic.
Mm,
So can you make a new sentence or ask a question with this idiom?
mm. I will climb up myself when I meet some people I don't like it.
Ah, okay. Yes. All right. And the next one. What's the idiom?
The kite got one's tongue.
Yeah, good. Almost. The cat's got your tongue.
Oh.
Yeah. To be unusually quiet. So can you make
Mm,
a new sentence or ask a question with this one?
mm. Sometimes I feel uncomfortable. It's like the kite got my tongue. I don't want to say anything.
Mm, yeah, sometimes I'm maybe tired, exhausted, but
Mm.
friends have asked us to go out, so we're going out with friends, and then I'm quiet because I'm tired. So they say, "Hey Norman, has a cat got your tongue?"
The cat gets your tongue.
Yeah. All right. Next one. What's the idiom?
The elephant in the room.
Yeah, it definitely looks like an elephant in the room. So, a problem or issue that everyone knows is there, but no one wants to talk about it. Can you make a sentence or ask a question with this one?
Mm, when the couple discuss the divorce, the family same the elephant in the room.
Oh, yes. Oh, it's quite a big problem, eh? Okay. And what's the idiom?
Out of a kite.
To let the
To,
cat out of the bag.
to let the kite out of the bag.
Yeah, to reveal a secret. So, when did you let the cat out the bag?
I can confirm something. Am I right? I will let the cat out of the bag.
Ah, that's if you will, yes. But when did you let the cat out the bag? I let the cat out the bag um, a few weeks ago when I told someone where we were going on vacation, but it was supposed to be a secret.
Really? What place you will go?
Oh no, no, we went already. So we already came back. Yeah.
Okay. A little bird told me.
Yeah, very good. The idiom, a little bird told me. A way to say that someone told you a piece of information without revealing who told you. So can
Uh,
you make a sentence with this one?
a little bird told me. Uh, Norman's right book is very popular in China.
Okay, very good. Well done.
Do you receive as a schedule from my friend in Cambly?
Oh,
Her name is Daisy.
Daisy.
Yeah, last
Daisy.
week she called me, want me to recommend some application teacher
Ah,
to.
okay. To cat. All right. Daisy. I didn't see Daisy, but she might have it as a different name on Cambly. She might have it as,
Maybe,
yeah,
maybe.
maybe. Okay. Cool. Very nice. So which of these idioms was easy?
A little bird told me.
Yeah, that one's easy, eh? And which one was
It's
maybe
easy
a
to
little tricky?
remember. The kite got your tongue.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's a bit difficult, eh? All right, good. Well done. So